Security threats don't wait for business hours. Even with advanced detection tools like Microsoft Sentinel or Microsoft Defender for Cloud, teams often struggle to respond quickly, especially after hours or when working remotely. That's where SIGNL4 steps in. SIGNL4 adds a powerful layer to Microsoft Sentinel, delivering mobile alerts through multiple channels instantly to the right on-call team members. It brings fully visible acknowledgement tracking and automated escalations, all from a simple, secure mobile app. Let's go ahead and walk through a real-world example using Sentinel and SIGNL4 to see how we can help you with your alerting needs. So I already have connected my Microsoft Sentinel to my SIGNL4 here, and I can see this here through my connector. So next up, what I need to do is I'm going to go ahead and create an incident inside of Sentinel, and we're going to see that incident carry forward and create an alert inside of SIGNL4. So here we have our new incident created inside of Sentinel. And if I go back over here to my SIGNL4, we've received the new alert from Sentinel. And if I click on this to expand it, we'll actually see the information that came through. Multiple failed logins detected, which is what our Sentinel ticket was about. As well as we can get an AI summary here for the entire alert, which tells us that we got a Microsoft Sentinel alert. It's a medium severity, and that we have multiple failed logins attempts were detected by Sentinel. If we scroll back down, we'll see a little bit more information. We see the team it went through, the category for that team, and then which distribution rule affects it. And then at the very bottom, we'll actually see that my user is here. He was on duty, and if we click on his user, we'll see that he was alerted via both an email and a push notification, because my current user actually has his signaling profile to be an immediate push and an immediate email, but the call and text messages come through at a delayed timer. I'll get the next alert 10 minutes from now if I have not already acknowledged the alert. Then I'll get the text, and then another 10 minutes after that I'll get the phone call, allowing your users to set their notification profiles to be alerted in the best way possible for that particular user. Now what we can do is if I go ahead and acknowledge this alert here inside of SIGNL4, this acknowledgement actually carries back to Microsoft Sentinel. And if I go ahead and click inside of Sentinel and click inside of my alert here, we will see that it has set the owner to myself, my user, the Robert owner, and this is done via email. So the emails would need to match for your Azure user as well as your SIGNL4 user. And it also sets the status to active instead of new, letting us know that we are actually currently working on this issue. Now we can also go ahead and close this, and I'll go ahead and select my activity, set in a comment, and apply this. Now we have the alert status is closed, and if I go back to my SIGNL4 alert, we'll see here that the alert closure automatically added to the event by the system, letting you know that the alert was closed inside of the originating system, in this case, Sentinel. So now let's go ahead and let's see the automated escalations in play here as well. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and go to my team here, which was the IT Ops team. And what I want to do is I want to go to the signaling page, and we'll see that I have my escalation set. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on escalation. I'm going to say we're going to escalate it up to the second team, which is my security apps team. But I also don't want to wait a full hour. So for the case of my video here, I'm just going to go ahead and set this down to 1 minute. This is not where we would normally set it, but we're going to keep it there for now. So now if I go back into Sentinel and I create a new incident and go ahead and create this incident, we will see this new incident will carry forward into my SIGNL4. And now that this new alert also shows up inside of my SIGNL4 account, after 1 minute, we'll actually see this escalation go through from the IT Ops teams up to the SecOps team. And we'll actually see that in through this alert here, as well as through the new SecOps alert that will be created when the escalation occurs. And this is all automated based on the settings we have set for our teams inside of SIGNL4, ensuring the automated escalation is there and ready to go. And now we can see through the original alert here that if we scroll down here to my notifications, we'll see that this was escalated up to my security ops teams after 1 minute. And I'll actually see that I have a new alert here for my security ops teams saying they received the alert, a new alert here from the IT ops team. It was escalated to the security ops teams, which in this particular case, I had nobody on duty. So after another minute, we escalated up to the manager of the security ops team, which is their escalation settings as well. And that's how SIGNL4 helps teams respond faster, collaborate in real time, and maintain full audit trails even from remotely in the field. SIGNL4 helps eliminate missed alerts, reduces response times, prevents alert fatigue, and improves visibility and accountability, all while helping you support your SLA compliance and improved overall quality of life for your teams. Want to turn Microsoft Sentinel into a mobile-first on-call response system? Visit www.signal4.com and try it for free, or reach out to hello@signal4.com for a custom walkthrough. Thank you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.